Oh, right. Sorry about that. It cut out that time. He's coming running in. Yeah. Like, I'm going to get some bread. On me as it got full. I forgot to download some stuff, but there was something on there that I transferred over a bit, and it was 2 hours. Got rid of that. Shouldn't have got full juice yet. I forgot to delete something the other day. So I'm back. After putting out some more food. So I put a little bit of more mixed seed and some sunflower seed over there. And they have a plate with some tomato. There, in front of the door. Plate, some tomato. Cut-offs. Now, you could say that might encourage them, but hey, they're already doing what they're doing. And so we'll put some leftovers out there. They might leave the other tomatoes if there's tomatoes sitting on. We'll see, eh? But Mum, what do you reckon? No, well. Hey, you'd be quite surprised what can happen. Hey, Frankie, baby. Yeah. Come and get your pieces of bread for your babies. I made some smaller ones over here. As you can see. The house sparrows. And the pigeons, well, they can pick at the big ones. They actually don't mind doing that. They flick it around. So they don't care if they're big or small. They probably prefer the big because it breaks off a bit easier flicking around. And the little babies like that one, they come in and they like to get a little piece. So I make up little pieces. As they eat a little bit like that sometimes and then tend to take off some back home for family or babies. Bottoms up! It doesn't cost much to feed the bit. You chuck one on the back. You chucked one on your back. You look funny. And now you're chucking another one. You see if you can get that on your back? We have a reserve saver. Dun, 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 dun. Where did that bread go? I'm sure I had that bread. I must be tripping. I'm just going to go over here and figure out what happened about that bread. But anyway, I'm saving some. Whoa, hey! Frankies! Were you going to take the bread off the back? I was going to get that bread. Yeah, that was funny. Here it is. What happened? You decided to go where it was better or something. More of them. There's plenty there. Yeah. Oh, the bread breakers. I thought, hey, you go over here. Because the ones that'll just have you, like three of them, so just travelled over here. They're the guys that just have some bread and they'll hanging up here. So they're like, oh, I'm going to have some seed now. What's he doing? Hey? What's he doing? You better not be getting jealous. Hey? What's happening? Hey? Got you on candy cam there? What's going on? I watch you all the time. Okay? It's okay. Yeah. I just chuck that in. What do you reckon? Like having children. When you're watching other kids or something and then children's like, oh, and they love you and all that. And they like spending time. Oh, just spending time with them. Because when I do sit down, I do tend to have a little blues a lot. So that's why I say that. You know what I mean? Turn on my mouth. Yeah. Yeah, somebody. Yeah. You tell them. You tell them. You're the older one. You tell the younger ones, eh? Yeah. This is how. You're a little runner today, aren't you, buddy? I love up on the pyramid. I tried to quickly get him in, but he jumped off. Shiny yum yum yums. Shiny yum yum yums. You're getting used to, aren't you? That after rain, you could come here. Check it out here. Hey? I'm going to sit up here and I'm going to eat me breads. Don't like that sound? Look at the cockies out. Didn't like that. Here's your little cute. Oh, look at. Didn't like that. Not happy at all, Jan. They got their heads up, fills up, looking around. Not happy. It's okay, buddies. Ma'am, it's okay. On guard. Oh, they're off somewhere now. That direction. They're looking around. They're not happy that way. They're going that way. It's what the Frankies think. They do that, right? And then they come back. So they get upset. Something upsets them. They check it out. Like, I don't know what was happening there. They do it without no like car going because it's like a cars sound like as they went to do it. Sometimes they do it on cars like that. They chase down that car and shit on it or what, but they do things and then they come back. Usually they come back. Sometimes they don't. Sometimes I won't see until the next day, I guess. But I'm glad I end up getting those tiles. Now I either got them from the Turner Centre or the recycle place, tip recycle place. Can't remember a bit of stuff. those two places. The same year kind of thing. But I've had them sitting here for a while. Because I know I got the Spa from the tennis centre. Alright, I'm gonna go do something. Relax. It's a relaxed day today. So I used to say at school, it's a wet timetable and you play games or a board game or you eat, watch a movie and fall asleep. As there's not much to do at a wet timetable outside or go out somewhere. Unless you want to go out and stay in a place, you can go do that. Indoor pool, indoor go-kart, go do something like that. Or you can go have fun and just go for a walk in the rain and then come back and have your shower moments. And while you're in the rain, you know what else you can do? You can play Super Soaker water fights while you're in the rain, like a day like today. Have you ever done that before? Because I have. And it'll be fun. Right? And you have your moment, and then you just go have a shower. Come inside, one by one, whatever. Because in the rain, everybody gets wet. So there's no getting out of it. And then when everyone's wet, you'll have more fun. Making you wetter. Now these pigeons never used to eat bread, I've mentioned before, just in case this is your first clip, as I've seen people see the latest kind of clips and not the old ones, so I do a little updates. That was cheeky. There's plenty of bread. You don't need to bounce at him or her. Yeah. You used to get bounced at. You want a tiger? I want to bounce. It's a cheeky little pigeon though, isn't it? In the middle. So I want a bit of every bread. This one will do, this one will do. It's not satisfied with one. So we've got a cheeky pigeon running around, and we've had a cheeky cocky. And we've had playful glass today. With a little out of the normal norm. And then you see that little fella just went, I'm going to take that one off you, I'm sorry, but there's other bits there. He says you can't be lazy with wings. So there's little bits there for him, and I'll take it from you. There's little one here. You got one more. Yeah. They're being cheeky now. Just about to try to come up with a story for them, but they do it right in front of me. But they haven't been cheeky. And then now they're cheeky. And you guys are being cheeky. Everybody's been cheeky today. You make me laugh. Yeah. These leaves are still kicking. bit of colour on them, they're green. Just so some of them got a little burnt and yeah, from some of the hot days. But yeah, they're a little burnt hay, you know. But they're kicking. And I reckon the tree's regenerating and saving it energy for its right time and say no. Oh, here we go. Here's Frankie back again. What happened, buddy? Where's the rest of them? You're the scout. What happened? Weren't happy. Hey? Yeah, I'm here. What you doing? Having a gawk at me? Yeah, use the gawkers, son. You're cute. Definitely when they come and land right on top of you and they're gawking down. They do that when there's no food. So the pigeons bang on the door and the Frankies, they either come right up the garmite when we just have a chair here, you know, they want to land on a chair or something. Which I'm going to put out here soon, those chairs. Somewhere out. And or come up the top here and they just go, look down. Hey, Frankies. You the Frankie? Because we have 1 to 2 that hang around. Mostly 1. There's always 1 here that hang around. Yeah. Hey, buddy. Yeah. You know what they call that spike when it comes down? The Johnny Bravo move is what I call it. It's like, hoo, 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 yeah. Hoo. I'm going to leave that there for you people. As this is long enough, 17 minutes. So if you don't have birds to relax at, here's some to look at. With a commentator too. How's that for a bonus? Hey Frankie. Bye bye and have a good day everybody. See ya.